trying. So I got my ticket, so I guess that's for coming out. So everybody here is gonna run through to here, and we're gonna come over here too, and we're gonna film in the spot. So we'll see what happens. So, okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, okay. I'll be riding this all the way down, so. It's like two small cars, which I think is consistent. I think maybe later it might be, the stations are wide enough, so it might be maybe 3 or 4 cars, but right now it's only 2. So let's see. So this is Ocean Gardens. Next is let's see. We'll find out in a minute. Actually, on the right, those are all Zhuhai in China. And straight ahead is Macau Roosevelt Hotel. I forget the name of this one, but this is really nice on the back. On the back it goes up, and you kind of come in on like the 10th floor or something like that. And on the ground floor, it's on the first floor on this side. So it's built on a mountainside. It looks pretty cool on the train. Amazing, actually. And that actually has a train station as well, so we're going to come up on that in a minute. Over there is a Galaxy. I think the train goes over by Galaxy as well. So this is station number 2. So Ocean Gardens number 1, this is 2, there's 11 total. I might just stay through the whole 11 to the end and to see what we can see. So I think this is called Jockey Club. So yeah, Jockey Club station. There's a jockey. There's a horse racing, I think. Jockey Club. Yeah, and we're on the train. It looks like a wall of Taipa apartments. So we'll keep on going. There's a flag of China right there too. Lower one is Macau, and then there's a blue one over there, which I think this is Jockey Club. You can see that red, green, and blue. Okay, just a little red light for stop and go. Alright, let's see what else we see here. Just like a little walkway in case there's any issues. You can walk down the sidewalk for the people that work here. They can walk quite a bit down it. Start to slightly see a reflection. The sun is still up, but it's going to go down soon. Here's the Jockey Club horse racing. So we can actually overlook the horse racing. Lots of apartments to the left. And right here we're going to be, there's a Cotai type of village straight ahead. And we're going to be turning, and the station's going to go over there. So you can see there's 2 ways to get into Taipa Village, and one of them is going to be here. This overlooks stadium. So there's the stadium right there, and Taipa Village is over there. It's kind of interesting because I don't really see this view. That's the Jockey horse racing is over there, and then the stadium is over here. And that building with the yellow is China, Zhuhai. So here we have stadium. So actually this just opened maybe 2 weeks ago, I think. But today is a Sunday, so it's... So Sunday is going to bring like people like myself who's finally gets a chance to come and look at things. So. Okay, Galaxy to the left. I don't know what these ones under construction are. I think those are there's Galaxy and Broadway Casino, and these are connected next to Broadway, more or less. And Galaxy and Broadway are connected as well by a skyway. We're going to be turning, we're kind of looking to the sun right now, but we're going to turn and start going the other way. So that's horse racing over there. Zhuhai, China right there. Broadway Casino right there's Broadway Casino. Down there a little bit. And then Galaxy's right here. And then this goes into Taipa Village right here. Kyungwoo Hospital, Somyuk Middle School. Stations feel fairly short when you're here. So yeah, Galaxy kind of towers above. Taipa Village over there. So this particular station, I think it's called Haikok. This is kind of the main one to get to Taipa Village. And then in a minute, we're going to be going through around these casinos in kind of like a horseshoe shape. So we're going to see that soon. Galaxy right there. I think over there is like a Chinese embassy or police station. It always has guards. This building over there. So I think this is station number 4. Here comes another train coming up. You can see we're going to be following this way soon. The next one is Cotai West, I think. So here comes the train. So there's Galaxy. There's some construction of Galaxy right now. Oh, that station is filled. Or that window is filled. So Venetian is straight ahead. Parisian is right there. This is Parisian. Studio City is over there too, on the other side of it. Venetian is this big one. City of Dreams is over there. Taipa Village over there. So Venetian is part of Sands. You can see all these buses down there. They go to the stations as well, to the ferry terminal and airport. Same place that this train now goes to as well. A lot of construction over there. Actually, all this is under construction. This and this. So these casinos are going to be built along this train line. So let's see, I think this one is called Cotai West, I think. Cotai West, yep. In Cotai West, there's this, I'm not sure why, but they have like this little tunnel that's being built right there. I don't know if that's temporary or permanent, but we're going to be following that in a minute. That over there is Studio City, a little circle. Studio City. Venetian is this one that's right next to us. So you got the red light right now, and then when that turns green, we'll be on our way again. On our way. So yeah, I don't know what they're doing with this one. There's all these, they put like this big metal thing all around it. But actually, like Venetian part right here, this is all kind of like the back part of it. So it's not really set up for tourists anyway, so this one being blocked, I don't know. You can see a river over here. That's ecological gardens. And then over on the other side is a golf course. Over there is Studio City right there to the left. And then we're going to be coming up on this train right here. And this particular train station brings people to China, which is over there. So there's a station to in Zhuhai that people can just jump on a bus. It takes you can use a Macau bus, like a regular Macau bus with Macau money and Macau train ticket, and just go over there. So that's the immigration point to China right there. And to the left is Studio City. So actually, if you do go to Zhuhai, you can come and go from this point, and then just kind of walk across real quick to Studio City. And this is called, I think, Frontier. Frontier is Frontier Lotus checkpoint. Lotus front point into China, Zhuhai. And this right here is also part of the immigration right there, the Zhuhai. This one, they might be expanding the immigration frontier.
This is Lotus checkpoint.
Okay, again we have to wait for that red light to turn green. Actually, this is kind of interesting because there's like a little median in between the two, so I guess the train split up in this particular spot. I'm not sure why. We'll see in a minute. Over these are like housing projects, so these ones are like low budget housing for Macau residents, and they're kind of far away for people. And some people work there too. Studio City, part of the police station. Okay, police, yeah, that's judicial police. Studio City right there, and all this is like Halawan. If you can see way up there, there's a Buddhist guy up there at the top of the mountain. That's a popular tourist spot. MGM to the left. This train's gonna go around by MGM in a minute anyways. But we have another station right here that feels like it's in the middle of nowhere. I guess this one isn't even open yet, but maybe in the future they're gonna probably keep building on this train line and have something at this spot. I forget what's over there. I think it's I can't remember now. It's got a few people on that window too. Okay, this is kind of a little, we're kind of going around like a horseshoe curve, and then we're going to go to Cotai East. So Cotai West and Cotai East are the opposite sides of the Cotai Strip. A lot of construction down there, and then you're going to see a whole host of casinos, and we're going to go by all of them on the train in a minute. There's MGM right there, and then the other one is Wynn Palace. And this one is, what's that one called? Centro de Formación. Not sure what that one is. Sheraton Hotels, Grand Hyatt. There's Sheraton, Grand Hyatt, MGM. Oh, this is called East Asia Games. So I think that over there was for the East Asia Games. So yeah, there's MGM. The Wynn Palace. These are two pretty popular casinos.
This is East Asian Games.
East Asian Games. Okay, so there's an MGM on both sides. There's one on the Macau side and one on Taipa side. So Cotai is Taipa, and they both are kind of built like this. I don't know if they're the same in Vegas or not, but they kind of look like train box cars that are stacked on each other. I've never been over there before. It's Grand Lisbon Palace. I think it came up just in the last 2 months or whatever, something like that. Okay, let's focus on this one. This is the MGM. And then this is the Wynn Palace. And when we go by that, you're going to see a dragon. There's a dragon right there. So you got a dragon, and you got little cable cars that go up, so you can see all the cable cars across up here, over here. Here's some City of Dreams, the casino. So Cotai East. Today is a Sunday, it's 5 o'clock right now. I'm going to be coming up, there's 3 stations left. One is Must, which is Macau University of Science and Technology. And then you have airport, and then you have the ferry terminal. You're going to see all 3 of those soon. Kind of see, like way over there, you can kind of see these cable cars. So the cable cars go around this corner, and then they go up, and you can actually go into the casino if you're there. I think it's free if you go down, but if you go up into the casino, it's free. If you go down, I think they charge you like 100 MOP, which is like $12. So it's kind of a good way to get people into the casino, but not an easy way to get out. You have to go down the normal way. Maybe it's changed now, or not. There's the cable cars. Macau University of Science and Technology. This is one of the, I think there's 7 universities. There's an airplane right over there, the airport. We're going to go by the airport too. Here's Must. International School is right here too. So there's the International School, and there's also a university. So I think we go by the International School, and then the university is over here. And we're going to be going to the airport, and I think we can overlook the airport right now. So that's the control tower right there. There's some of the planes. Okay. Oh, this is MUST. So this is the Must University of Science and Technology of Macau. If you see straight ahead, you can actually go up on this mountain. There's another cable car that goes up here near Cotai Village, and then you can walk all the way up here, and you can see all the planes coming in. And if you can see this right here, there's a park right there. And there's also a road over there. So there's a road on this mountain, and there's a park right here. And there's also a path. There's another building up here, and you can actually walk all across this mountain and see all these views as well from that side. And so we have 2 more stations. We're waiting for this red to turn green, and then we're gonna be on our way shortly. I think to the right, I think that's part of the airport, but I think it's called the Must Station. So Must is that green building is part of Must, I think. It's kind of a green, older color. Yeah, that's Must. So we're going to be turning this corner. There's this mountains. You can actually walk along it. Let's see if I can see any of the trails. You can see the trail right there. I don't know if you can in the camera though, but you can see some people walking right up there too. And definitely you can walk over on that part, and you can also drive a car up there too. So there's the airport. You got Macau Airlines. You have Xiamen Air. You have other airline companies. Okay. You can see it from when you come in on the airplane, it'll say Aeroporto International de Macau. It's the International Airport of Macau. It's written in Portuguese and Chinese, which are the 2 official languages. Aeroporto de Macau. So this is there's 1 station after this one, which is the ferry terminal, and we're probably gonna go there and get something to eat in a little bit. They got some food courts down there, so we'll go check it out. This is airport. So 1 more station. Kind of waiting for this light to turn green. Meanwhile, there's a train coming in too. Let's see if this train, if we can go while the train is still coming in, or if we have to wait for the train. Could be either way. Oh no, I can go. Okay, so we're coming up on the last stop. There's our train, only one person in the window. It's filming. So, okay. This is also another immigration point too. There's immigration between the ferry terminal and the airport. I guess that's a storage for airplanes, but then closer to the ferry terminal there's an immigration point too. So if you were to try to get a work visa or try to stay in Macau long term, that's where you'd go. And oh, there it is right there. That's the immigration point. And the ferry terminal is right here. This is the last stop, I believe. The cemetery is over there. So okay. I guess we're all going to go out with everybody else, and maybe some people are going to the ferry terminal, but I'm just going to get something to eat and then come back. Macau Tower is right there. This is the last stop. So we're going to jump out of the train station now. So, okay, let's let everybody go, and then we're going to come over here and film for a second. Okay, so there we go. Macau train station. Oh, there's a lot of people here, so we're going to try to go down this other way. So yeah. So that's it. So that's the Macau train. So tune in and I'll show you the ferry terminal. It'll be a later video. For now, we'll exit.